To use SMTP with 2FA, we will need to generate app-specific password. For that, open Accounts setting from the top right profile menu. Then go to Security and then App Passwords. After that, click on Generate New Password. Now give a name to your password and click Generate. Now our app-specific password is generated. Now, let's see how we can use the SMTP server. I will use this online tool. Enter smtp.zoho.com as host. Enter 465 port if using SSL and 587 if using TLS. Enter your Zoho mail address as username. And for password, enter our newly generated app-specific password. Then send it. And we have successfully configured our free SMTP server. That's it.